Hello students, today you will be learning about degrees of comparison. As you have already learned about adjectives in the previous class, so today you will be knowing about what are degrees of comparison. The adjectives and the different forms of adjectives that are used to show comparison is called as degrees of comparison. So there are three different types of degrees of comparison. For example, they are positive, comparative and superlative. Now what is positive degree? Positive degree is when you are speaking about one thing, one person or one animal. That is positive degree. For example, this house is big. So this house means only one house and big is the positive degree. He is a tall student. Tall is the positive degree over here. This flower is beautiful. Beautiful is the positive degree. He is an intelligent boy. So intelligent is the positive degree. Next we will be moving on to comparative degree. What do you understand by the word comparative? That means it must have come out from the word comparison. So comparison is always between two or more person or more things. So comparative degree is when we compare two persons or two things with each other with greater intensity of adjective, that is comparative degree. For example, this house is bigger than that one. This house is one house and that one is another. So we are comparing two houses over here and bigger is the comparative degree used over here. He is smarter than his brother. Smarter is the comparative degree over here. He is more intelligent than that boy. So more intelligent is the comparative degree over here. Rose is more beautiful than Jasmine. So rose and jasmine are two different flowers and we are comparing both of them. So more beautiful is the comparative degree. Next we will be moving on to superlative degree. So what is superlative degree? Superlative means when you are comparing three or more than three person, three things or three animal with the greatest intensity of adjective. For example, this house is the biggest house in the block. In the block means the whole block, that is more than three. So this house is the biggest. So biggest is the superlative degree over here. He is the most intelligent student in the class. So most intelligent is the superlative degree. Rose is the most beautiful girl. So most beautiful is the superlative degree over here. I hope you would have understood about positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now I will be telling you something more. That is, you will be learning about irregular adjectives. So what are irregular adjectives? You know, some adjectives, they have completely different forms in the positive, comparative as well as superlative form. So they totally change. They are not the same. As I gave you the example, fast, faster and fastest. So fast is the simple or positive form. Faster is the comparative form, that is you are adding er, and fastest you are adding est in the superlative form. But in the irregular adjectives, the three forms are totally different. For example, I will tell you good, better, best. So good is the positive form and better is the comparative form and best is the superlative form over here. Then we have bad, worse, worst. Three are different. The word bad is totally different from the other word worse and worse. They three are totally different forms. Then we are having much, more, most, far, farther, farthest, little, less, least. So these irregular adjectives, they have completely different forms. So don't get confused. Hope you have understood the chapter and you will be using it in the sentences properly. Thank you.